This video is a little bit different than I think all of my other videos. And it's because I think it's a little bit controversial. I think for the most part, the things that I help clients with are really straightforward. I help them increase revenue. I help them get more profitable. I help them with cash flow. I help them get out of the day-to-day operations when I'm working with an owner so they can build a more valuable business. I don't think any of that would raise an eyebrow, but this might. So I hear a lot of people talking about how their business is terrible because of insurance carriers, and I just don't believe it, or I won't let myself believe it, because I see too many examples of really strong, healthy businesses that command high multiples, that are very profitable, that have good cash flow, that, I'll call play nice with insurance. Now, I see a lot of very unprofitable, unvaluable businesses that also play nice with insurance. And guess what? In the world of we charge whatever we want, we don't play nice with insurance at all, we lien properties, we sue people, that's a viable alternative model. And I see the same thing. I see very successful and I see very unsuccessful businesses in that model. So I don't think it's the insurance carriers prevent people from having successful businesses. Just like I don't believe that if you don't play nice with insurance, you're automatically going to have a very successful, very profitable, very valuable business to sell when you decide it's time to move on. Here's the common thread that I see with successful businesses. They have tight process, they set clear expectations, they have accountability, they have a dashboard, they've got metrics where their team members know how they're performing in their key areas every week. They're just really well structured. They have a great understanding of their financials, their job costing. They're reviewing those jobs against a predetermined budget every time. They're reviewing their cash and accrual P&Ls every month, and they're looking for problem areas. They're looking for areas that went really well. They're measuring their DSO, days of sales outstanding, so they know exactly how long, month after month, it's taking them to collect money from their clients. So they're measuring it, they're doing things to improve it, they're constantly measuring and tweaking and building a better business. That's what I see. So if you're being potentially too quick to just blame insurance companies for your lack of success, I want to challenge you on that, and I would be happy to have a conversation with you and talk about what you might do to improve your business. If you're ever interested, email me, scott@thegrowthleague.com, or book a call with me by clicking the link below this video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.